Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to manually link a bank account to your Robinhood account. If you're having trouble connecting your bank automatically or don't see it listed in the app, this method will help you get set up. Be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. Body. To manually link your bank account to Robinhood, start by opening the Robinhood application on your mobile device. On the homepage, tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, select the Transfers option and scroll down until you see Linked Accounts. Tap on Add Account, and Robinhood will prompt you to use Plaid to link your bank account. Tap on Continue to proceed. Robinhood will display a list of banks. If your bank appears, select it. If not, type the name of your bank in the search bar. If your bank still doesn't appear, you'll need to link it manually. To do this, tap on Link Manually. Choose your account type, such as checking or savings, and tap on Continue. Next, enter your routing number and account number, then confirm the account number by typing it again in the box below. Robinhood will inform you that it will deposit two small amounts into your bank account within 2 to 3 business days. Once you've waited for 3 days, check your bank account for the two small deposits. Open the Robinhood app again. Go to the profile icon and select Transfers. Scroll down to your linked accounts, where you'll see your bank account labeled as Unverified. Tap on it and then tap Verify at the bottom of the screen. Enter the two small deposit amounts to confirm the account and complete the verification process. And that's it. You've now successfully linked your bank account manually to Robinhood. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to give this video a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.